Hello again, everyone. Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report for Joe in Virginia on the RCI-2970N3. Joe, we got you all fixed up here. Got your high cut filter. Show you what we got here. Cuts that high cut noise right out. And we got your top back here. Let me roll this up. We can do it without blowing me out here.
1 2.
Good day. Let's turn that duck clucker down a little bit.
1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Now, of course, this does not dictate how loud you are out on the air. Some people think it does. It absolutely does not. Alright, so we're going to flip that top back off. Got the RF power all the way down. We got your clarifier and lock, tune alignment, Toshiba regulator, 250 watt slug. Alright, got you at 25 all the way down right there. It's a safe range. It's 100 wide open. Show you average power swing. Oh, about 210 or so. 500 watt slug and peak. Oh, about 475 PEP. I'd probably run this thing about a halfway or so. That's going to give you about an 80 watt carrier and swing to 500. It'd be great for you. All right, Joe, we'll get out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. Bum, bum.